What's going on, guys? So we're on the hunt for a Mahomes rookie. I have this blaster box of 2017 Optic. Bought this from Steel City Collectibles. Shout out to Tony R. They also threw in this free pack. I think it's 2 packs, but I'll probably save this for another time. So without further ado, let's get right into these. I brought out the Andrew Lucks. I brought out the Zeeks. Should be a good game Sunday. Shout out to Batman Knife, and let's get right into it. They had a great deal for these. These were, I think, 10 bucks each. Not bad. Any thickies? This one definitely looks thicker, so we'll save that for last, and I'll put my favorite card from each pack on this. Let's get right into it. Anyone want to do the honors? Ricky? Ricky, you want to start us off? Man, I haven't ripped packs in forever. Let's see what we have. We have a Carson Wentz. Phillip Rivers playing phenomenal this year. There we go. PC right there, Marlon Mack. Pretty sweet. Then we have a David. I'm not even going to butcher that. We have a Drew Brees. We have a Brandon Cooks. Wow, really sweet Cam Newton. Chad Kelly. And we have a Flickem. We have Greg Olsen. Jarvis Landry's on the Browns. Davis Webb. Then we have a Zay Jones. This guy's lightning quick. We have a Tajay Sharp. Shout out to Madden Crazy. Derek Carr. Shout out to Tony R. Matthew Deus. This is a pink version. Rookie. Chad Williams. 80% Flickem. Flick that 80%. We have another Cam Newton. So this is the base and this is the refractor. Pretty nice to pair those two up. Russell Wilson. Really sweet Carson Wentz. It's really nice. Really nice parallel. It's definitely my favorite card so far. Come on. Then we have a Deshaun Kaiser, who's backing up Aaron Rodgers. Last but not least, Tony. Tony R, you want to do the honors? Huh? Do the honors, Tony R. Give us a booyah. Any thickies? Nope. Kirk Cousins played horrible Monday night. Marshawn Lynch, Beast Mode, shout out to Tony R. We have a Pumley, Raider rookie. Really nice shine. And we have a Matthew Deus, rookie card. And we have a Flickem. Not too bad. I do have a nice little Carson Wentz PC, so happy about this pull. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys soon. Peace!